I told you guys a secret already, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Manny Kenny again. If you are new here, you're very welcome. For any part of this family, I appreciate you guys as usual. If you are new, click that subscribe button to join the family. Okay, well, today I'm going to show you guys how I installed this wig, which I showed you guys how to bleach the knots in the previous video. But this very beautiful synthetic curly wig, I'm going to show you guys how I installed it to give it a natural look with no glue. You can see like this is looking like it's growing from my scalp, and there's a secret to this which I'll tell you in the video. So stay tuned and let's jump right into this video.
It's Manny Kenny.
So first things first, you have to lay down your edges. So any little baby hair, any hair on your hairline, push it down with a good edge control or gel, which is what I'm doing here. I'm just making sure that everything is laying flat, and that will give you the best base to work with. So the flatter your hairline, the better the install will look. So after that, I'm just making sure I'm pushing it back with my finger, making sure that everything is flat. And then I will take this wig cap, you can already see on my head, and put it just a little bit after my hairline. That works for me. You can do a melt band bald cap method if you want, but this is what I do every day, and I don't have time to do a melt cap bald cap method every day. But yeah, so this is the wig from the previous video. As you can see, I cut it short because I was feeling the shorter look better than the longer look. So I cut it short, and yeah, I'm just showing you guys the wig again. Love these curls, but now I'm just going to pop this on my head, as you can see me doing, just so that I can see exactly where I want it to sit. See, it's already looking good. So you see the reason why you have to put your wig cap a little bit, just a little bit behind your hairline, because it will give you a more natural look and a more natural install. So right now I'm just making sure I am putting it exactly where I want it to sit, making sure my ears are out, make sure the lace is laying where it's supposed to lay, just before I go in with the next steps. For this install method for my sideburns, I just pull out a little part, you know. I pin the rest of the hair behind so that I know I can see exactly what I'm working with, and I'm not gluing unnecessary hair down. Not gluing, but I'm not putting down hair and just mixing up everything. But yeah, so this method is no glue, okay? And I'm going to be using a spray. This method enables me to take off my wig every evening and install it every morning before I step out the house. So I just spray it like you see me doing here. I'm spraying little by little all around the lace, so the hairline, and you don't have to put too much. I mean, this spray is good enough. I've been using it for a while, so yeah. So after doing that, I go in with some mousse. You could use the mousse or not, but I just go in with some mousse. And I just, put it on there. There's no particular secret to this. I just put it all over the lace on the hairline. And then after doing that, like after putting enough, you can put a lot. It doesn't really, it's not disadvantageous if you put a lot of mousse. It's probably even better. So I put a lot of mousse, as you see me packing it on there, even in the little part I did there, so that the part will stay, clean and nice. And after that, I wipe off the excesses, and then I'm going to tie this down with a melt band and a head tie. So I use the melt band, which obviously could be tighter, but it's not tight enough. So after putting a melt band like this, I use my satin hair tie and tie it again. And yeah, so I pretty much leave this. There's no particular amount of time I leave this on. After tying this down, I usually do this in the morning before doing my makeup. So I'll just do my makeup, and after doing my makeup, I open it like you see me doing here, and it's basically laid, okay? It's eating. So I'm just looking around, making sure that the lace is well laid all over, and then I'm teasing the baby hair, which I had already created. And then I'm adding a little bit of powder, that will match my skin and my hairline to the lace to make it, blend effortlessly. Then I take this brush and I just, tease out more of the baby hair again. The more you tease, the more messy it is, the more natural it will look. And after doing that, I will just style the hair, comb through it, add a little bit of oil, just make sure that, you know, the curls are popping, the hair is looking the way I want it to look. This hair is looking like human hair, okay? Nobody could tell that this was synthetic. But yeah, so after, you know, styling the way I want, I'm just making sure that everything is, you know, looking the way I want. And then this is the back view for y'all. Yeah, but now I want this to shine a little bit, so I'm going to put a little bit of hair oil on it, and it's just going to give it that natural beautiful shine. And that is pretty much what I do every morning when I'm installing a wig. And yeah, I hope that you guys learned something new and this method is going to be helpful to you. Just stay tuned to see this hair in the sun and the final look. This is a zoomed in, you know, I brought it closer so that you can see the lace again, you can see the install. You see that when I tease the baby hair, it just looks way more natural. It looks like it's growing from my scalp. So that's the secret. Always do that. Now this is me a few minutes later in the morning sun to show you guys the lace. This is the morning sun again to show you guys what it looks like. And then in the afternoon sun, right here, here in the afternoon when the sun was really overhead, this is what it looked like. Well, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.